Now to local politics, where a state senator is trying to start a statewide program to help students. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Pierce Gorlett has the details.
According to Senator Lynne Walz's bill, school officials believe mental health services is the #1 need for students. She believes her bill will solve that problem.
We put into place, or that we're working on, that would put a social worker into each of the ESUs, educational service units, across the state.
Senator Walz thinks a social worker would work best because they have more resources.
And what the social worker will do is connect children and families to resources that are in the community. We wanted to have a social worker because usually a social worker is the best person who knows most about the resources that are in a community.
She also thinks a social worker could help prevent school violence here in Nebraska, specifically gun violence.
You know, I think that we're so busy trying to put out the fire, put out the fire, put out the fire, and treat kids in schools right now, that we haven't concentrated enough on what can we do to prevent this from ever happening.
In her bill, the program would be totally funded privately for the next 3 years.
Because we all know that if anything has a fiscal note this year, it wouldn't even be heard. So we decided that private funding would be the answer for this. It would be the vehicle to getting kids the help that they need.
After 3 years, each educational service unit would reevaluate if they need the program. Then they can try to figure out how to pay for it. In Lincoln, Pierce Gorlett, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.